I just had a pretty good realization as I'm picking up some Jamaican food. When it comes to like the best forms of achievements in our life, I think it's the ones we can't see. I think it's the realization of who we are in the different parts of ourselves. Like when you realize a different part of yourself and then you can utilize it in being productive or utilize it in, creating happiness in your life. Those are the greatest things you can ever find or achieve in your life. Like me just knowing like more about my process, me knowing what makes me happy, me knowing what makes me feel good, me knowing the person that's supposed to be with me. All those things are the best, and I'm sorry for the police over there. It's supposed to be a good community I'm in right now. But it's just like those things that you can't see. There's no trophy for learning who you are. There's no trophy for figuring out what makes you feel good. But it's those things that are the most valuable, because it gives you the assets to be able to plan your life and your day, to be able to find even more things about yourself, to get those trophies and those achievements that you want. And it's just very peaceful when you know you're walking in who you are. You know, it sucks, and I think a lot of people, they deal with this, is they're walking through life and it doesn't feel right because they're living a life that isn't meant for them. Because they never took the time to ask themselves, can I actually do things on my own accord, or do I have to follow the plan or this like box that the world is telling me I have to fit in? When you start realizing that there is no box, there is no fitting in, if you decide there isn't. And when you just decide to be yourself, while knowing you don't know who you are, like it's a beautiful thing. Like none of us know who we are. Life is about constantly figuring out who we are, going on dates with yourself, learning how you like feel about certain things, reflecting, all that stuff, and it brings you to more and more awareness, and then it allows you to say yes or no with confidence. So now when somebody asks you, do you want to do something, you know more firmly if you should say yes or no, because you know who you are. And so now I can more firmly say, I don't want to eat that. I don't want to go to that party. I don't want to be around those types of people. I don't want to work in that type of industry, because I've learned these things through experiences and reflection. And each time you take a step of reflection and of awareness, you get a lot more efficient because there's less options. But not in a bad way, but because you know what's not for you. When you know what's not for you, you don't have to waste your time thinking, man, should I try that? No, I've already tried that food. I hate Thai food. So when you suggest it, I don't even have to think. I know it made me sick when I ate it. So now I never have to even think about it. And that's for everything in life. The best things you can ever achieve in life, I promise you, is self-awareness. And when you realize who you are in different portions, everything gets a lot simpler. Peace gets a lot simpler. Happiness gets a lot simpler. Does life still be lifing, and does it still be hard? Yes. But it gets a lot easier to combat it with the things you do know about yourself. Things you do know make you happy. You feel me? And it's also about being aware of the time we have. Like, we're so lucky to be here on earth and be alive. There's a lot of people that didn't have as much time as you, or didn't get any. You know what I'm saying? There's some people that literally weren't born. And we have that chance. Go and figure out who you are, not what the world is telling you you're supposed to be. That's a bar. Somebody type that in the comment section. You feel me? But it's all about that self-awareness. If you're somebody that's gained self-awareness or has any like wisdom on it, drop some wisdom in the comment section, how you've been able to do that for yourself. If you're somebody struggling with that, comment how you're struggling. Maybe somebody can respond to your comment and give you some help. I don't want to be the only source of help with this video. I want this video to be something where it's a community of people helping when it comes to the self-awareness thing. This is all I really have for y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I just had this realization. I wanted to talk about it real quick because I'm having a very peaceful day this morning, because I've learned a lot of things about myself in the last like 48 hours. And it's an exciting thing. It's something we should celebrate, because it's like, man, like, yes, an achievement is cool that you can have a trophy for it, but me learning things about myself, that's the greatest thing you can ever ask for. And I just feel so peaceful right now. I just hope y'all can feel that peace as well. See you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, even if you don't. I enjoyed making the video. Peace.